Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the UI image component in Unity. What is UI image? In Unity UI, the image component is used to display visual elements such as icons, buttons, backgrounds, or progress bars. It is a fundamental part of UI design, allowing developers to add graphical elements to their game's interface. How does the image component work? Display static images, for example, backgrounds, decorative elements. Use sprite-based icons, for example, health bars, inventory icons. Apply fill effects, for example, loading bars, progress bars. Change the image dynamically through C# scripts. Alright, let's get started. I have created a folder under Unity's images directory and added some images that I found online. However, before we can use these images in Unity, we need to make a few adjustments. First, we need to ensure that our images are set to sprite to D and UI in the inspector. To do this, select the image in the project window, go to the inspector panel, and change the texture type to sprite to D and UI, then hit apply to save the changes. Now, our images are ready to be used in UI elements like image components, buttons, and backgrounds. In the next step, we will add an image UI element to our scene and assign one of the imported images to it. We can arrange the UI elements from the left side hierarchy panel in Unity. The order of elements matters because the ones closest to the canvas are placed at the bottom of the list. Now, let's create a smooth and visually appealing transition using the image fill property. This feature allows us to dynamically adjust the fill amount of an image, making it perfect for progress bars, loading animations, or interactive UI elements. Let's see how we can achieve this effect through scripting in Unity. First, we have a public image fill bar, which holds our UI image component. Next, we define a float fill speed, which controls how fast the bar fills up. In the update function, we check if fill bar is assigned. If not, we log an error. If the bar isn't full, we increase its fill amount using fillSpeed *time.delta time to ensure smooth animation. Once fill amount reaches 1, the bar is completely filled. As you can see, the bar fills up gradually over time. You can adjust the fill speed value to make it faster or slower depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.